Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a bad service you received in a restaurant or shop. You should say when and where it happened, what happened, how it was solved, and explain how you felt about the experience. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So you can talk about anything. Maybe the food was bad at a restaurant, or maybe you did not like the ambience or the environment of the restaurant if you are talking about restaurants, right? Or if you're talking about something related to shops, maybe you can say that the quality of the products at that shop was not great. They had inferior quality goods, or maybe their customer service was not good. Something along those lines. So any such idea can be used for a question like this. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Customer service at restaurants is all about the service and care provided to diners, which forms the basis of trust, allowing guests to return for more and build long term relationships. However, today I would like to talk about my experience at an eatery where I received terrible service. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So, diners mean those who are going to eat at the restaurant. Okay. Eatery is another way of saying restaurant, so we did not use the word that was already in the question and we used another synonym. And terrible again means bad. So we used a better vocabulary word. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year my friend celebrated her birthday in one of the popular restaurants named Lake Cafe in Nainital and had invited me as well. Furthermore, we ordered different cuisines as per our liking and taste, as we all wanted to indulge in something that we had not tasted previously. So cuisines means different type of dishes, like for example Italian, Chinese, all these are different kind of cuisines. Indulge means wanted to take part in or involve yourself in. Alright, so let's continue. However, when the dishes were served, they were all cold and tasted bland, lacking flavors and spices. Additionally, the mixed vegetables dish had a foul smell, and the base gravy of tomatoes seemed to be undercooked with spices not blended properly, imparting it a raw flavor and pungent fragrance to the dish, which tasted awful. So, we have given a very good and relevant elaboration for the question, which was what happened. So, bland means something that is lacking any kind of flavor, like tasteless, doesn't have any kind of taste. Foul means bad, so we used a better vocabulary word. Undercooked means not cooked properly. Blended means mixed well. Imparting means providing. Pungent means very strong, and fragrance is kind of smell or aroma. Awful is another way of saying bad. We also used a synonym earlier which was terrible. So it is a good idea to just pause the video and write down all the synonyms and the meanings of the words as I am telling, so that you do not forget it later, and next time when you are practicing speaking you can also use it in your conversation. Alright, so let's continue. We expressed our discontentment to the waiter and asked him to change the dishes. but he was quite adamant and was extremely reluctant to change any of the dishes, and in fact, the restaurant manager came and informed us that he would charge us the full price if we replace any of the ordered menu items. So, discontentment means your unhappiness. Adamant means quite stubborn, not willing to change. Reluctant is unwilling, not ready to do something. Also, we have used some synonyms like dishes, cuisines, menu items, and avoided repetition of the same word again and again. Alright, so we have answered the first three questions. Now, the last question, which is explain how you felt about the experience, still remains. So, let's answer that. Unfortunately, our problem was not resolved despite repeated requests, so we paid for everything even though we didn't eat and left the place. Finally, the disgusting experience at the restaurant totally spoiled the birthday mood and at the same time led to a waste of money, and I would definitely not revisit the cafe nor recommend it to anyone. So, disgusting is another way of saying that you had a very bad experience. Revisit means to go to some place again, and recommend means to refer it to someone or suggest it to someone. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.